I got a question the other day about how to print numbers using European-style comma formatting. So in other words, instead of writing, as we might in the US, 123.45, this person wanted to write 123, comma 45, as is common in many European countries. The way I told this person to do this is to use the scales package. So we'll run library scales. There's a function within the scales package called comma. Within the comma function, x is whatever number. So here, x equals 123.45. Accuracy is how many digits we want to keep. So in other words, we want to keep both the 4 and the 5. If I run this, you can see I end up with 123.45. But I can change this. If I want to change the defaults, let me look at the comma help file. The first thing that you are going to see is that the comma function has actually been superseded. That doesn't mean that it's going away, it just means that there are other functions that you can use. However, in this case, I actually think the comma function on its own is really useful, and I continue to use it and recommend it to others like you. So if we scroll down here, you can see that there are a number of arguments. We're going to focus specifically on the big mark and the decimal mark, because those are the ones that we want to change. You can see by default, big mark is a comma, and decimal mark is a period. So you can see back here in my R script file, I'm now using the comma function, but I'm changing the default big mark from a comma to a period, and I'm changing the default decimal mark from a period to a comma. If I run this, you can see now we end up with 123, comma 45. That's it for today. Hope you learned something useful. If you want to get tips like this in your email, sign up at rfortherestofus.com/newsletter.